the Hadley-ho. What a wood. I hear you. If you help this horse get this job,
I just told him who to call.
And you didn't put in a good word.
No.
you idiot. A recommendation from you would have sunk him for sure.
Okay, what happens if I touch her?
Go ahead.
Hey, good work today.
This horribly seems fair. Your behavior is obnoxious and offensive. You will be working for me in a different capacity.
What are you doing, Lisa? Making an art project. You color very neatly. Thank you. Pride's a sin. So is snitching to God, Rod. I'm tied, I think.
Homer. Homer. Homer, you were sleeping at work. Had to mop up your drool.
Leave me alone.
Hey, everybody!
To beef up team spirit, I thought I'd form a little prayer circle at lunch.
If you pray at lunch, aren't you interrupting God's lunch? Fine. Someone thinks about God.
Tom, do you have anything else you can do? Can I pray for you? If you do it silently. Cleansing fire. Count of Nicaea. Leprosy. It's not silently.
Such big fury.
I knew if I switched from light to dark clouds, things would start happening.
You want to eat beanie?
Hey, everybody!
Look, now, you have to learn the way things work around here. People cut corners. You have to let them slide. Let me repeat.
Sorry. Achieve your potential.
Maybe if you like give me another job at the plant. One where you don't have to show up. Like safety inspector.
Yeah, I'm the safety inspector.
I should really turn these things that fall down my back. They look like gummy worms, but they're not. Check it. And they feel like our neighbor on the other side who we never see.
What's the matter, Homer?
No. Lord, it's Homer Simpson. I forget, are you 7 hours ahead or behind? Whatever. I really need your help with Flanders. Could you please get him fired? Thanks.
Oh, I reached him. So, looking through the records, I discovered this company has never given anything to charity. It looks as if we actually get money from charities.
Ned, would you mind if I brought a few associates into this meeting?
Almost, I'm on my way.
You're fired. You're welcome to keep any radiation that seeped
So
into your
that's
blood.
where buildings
Speaking
come
of
from.
charity, call the orphanage, Smithers. We have some leaks in our pipes and tiny hands to plug them.
They said they wouldn't send any children, so.
You have to say that.
Oh, thank you, Homer. You've been a true blue friend.
Talk about something fun. I know way more than Fat Elvis.
Yeah, I know. I got one advantage you don't. I got Homer Simpson in my corner.
Ned, I have a confession to make.
Now, don't go turning cow.
No chance. I don't fit those boots.
No, don't worry about me. I'm sure there's a job out there for a Bob Jones University grad who majored in teaching and casting out demons who speaks fluent Aramaic. Mr. Burns didn't send these home with you.
Word to the wise, don't be cocky. Don't say you can lifeguard if you can't swim. It'll come up, believe me.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you keep at least 5 Bibles between you. Oh, don't go crazy, Patrick Swayze. Time to put baby in the corner. Ah! You can't pose for your cover photo like that. Much better.
Ned, would you like to say grace?
Heavenly Father, thank you for the blessing of being tested, losing my wife, losing my second wife, losing 4 jobs, and losing $23 at blackjack to Bart.
23 chips, so $2,300.
I'll finish Grace at home.
Can you do that?
Yes, I can do that.
Oh, God. Now the apologies are going to start.
I apologize for my tone of voice and for the things I said. And now, as penance, I will get that skunk out of your birdhouse.
I don't care what you say, Marge. We've got to help him.
I want to help him.
Good, good. The Ice Queen begins to thaw.
Oh, Lord, give me a sign you're still with me.
Poor Ned.
It really helps to eat your feelings.
I've got it. I know what John Ned can do.
Well, go tell him. He goes to bed in 5 minutes.
Ned, you should be what Jesus was.
A carpenter?
No,
Fisherman?
no,
Foot washer?
no,
Wine creator?
no,
Water walker?
no,
Superstar?
no,
Dashboard ornament?
no. A teacher. I think you should be a teacher.
Like Jesus. Lord, shall I do it? And you shall receive it.
He's looking right at us. He's not doing a thing. Duff Man hates Duff Mankind. Oh, yeah.
Up in the morning and out to school. The teacher is teaching the golden rule. American history and practical math. You're studying hard.
I promised I wouldn't cry on his first day of school. Let's play the Frozen game.
So, rub-a-dub-dub, 30 kids and their sub. Let's be friends, shall we?
Teacher, you must quit. You can't teach us math or lit. There's no mercy in the bunch. We will make you leave by lunch.
Martin Prince, were you in on that poem?
If they paid me, the gig's a gig.
Well, sir, I'm not scared off. I got 2 little wild things at home. Now, who can name the state capital?
A dingus?
Well, in that case, I'm the biggest dingus in the world.
Okay then, let's give Mr. Flanders a room 4F salute. Simpson, take the kill shot.
Why me?
Prove your loyalty
My loyalty to what?
to peer pressure.
Bart Simpson, I know you. We've been fishing together. We've gone to church together. And if you can fire that spitwad after our long relationship, I don't deserve to be a teacher. Last lesson, kids. F is for foolish and failure and Flanders. You win.
Yes? But what is your deal? Do you like me? Do you want to be like me? Lisa, I have something to show you. What? I made you a little house. There's me framed. There's you at the computer. I made you a sack of fried macaroni. And the crackers on the roof, they're solar panels. Hi, I had you all wrong. You're a wonderful kid, and I'm happy to call you my pal. So glad I have a friend. I'm really sick of my brother. Okay, that's enough.
What's the matter, Mama?
I think I ruined Flanders' life.
Join the club.
What are you doing here?
I come here for a G&T, gumball and talk.
Here you go, pal.
Listen, you've got to apologize to Flanders.
Why don't you apologize to Flanders? You're the one who prayed for him to get fired.
What? He should apologize to me because he makes me feel so damn guilty. All right, I'll apologize too. What's she doing here?
Hello, she's my designated driver.
Alice, what brings you here?
We came to say we're sorry, and we want you to go back to teaching.
With all I've been through, I've never questioned my faith until now. You spit-wadded my mustache, boy.
I think you could be a great teacher, almost as good as her.
Thank you, son.
Remember, if you can teach one kid one thing, then today will be a success.
She never gave up. Neither will I.
Great. Now this counts as a parent-teacher conference and a Christmas concert.
Well, that's all well and good, but I gotta get those kids to respect me.
Do people respect God? No, they fear him.
It's never personal, just business.
Just leave everything to me.
Listen up, children. If you push hard enough on the pudding skin, there's a tough cup of vanilla beneath. Now take your seats.
How you gonna make us?
I won't. The good Lord will.
The scariest thing is we don't have a class skeleton. Surely God is the biggest bully of them all.
Now, Nelson, I'm not going to ask you to stand and read me a list of state capitals, but the good Lord might be pleased.
Albany, Annapolis, Atlanta, Augusta, Austin, Baton Rouge. Does the Lord hear the bell up there?
Yes, he does. Thank you, Bart. I knew deep within you there was a good boy, and I respectfully request that those be the last two pranks you pulled.
You know it, man.
Wow, they're quiet. I'm reaching them. Hedda was right.
Does that cute school nurse know that I'm alive? Because last time I left her office, I was legally dead. I have to beat Terry to a training bra.
I wonder how much I can sell Maggie for.
I'm starting to think this wheel doesn't go anywhere.
Okay. The only explanation is I'm still asleep, dreaming that the house is flooded. What does it mean? What does it mean?
It probably means you're under a lot of stress because this is not a dream and the house is flooded.
Oh my God, this is horrible. Although I do like the sofa better where the water's carried. How did this happen? I don't like where the painting is.
Maybe you're upset about something else. Are you hungry? Why don't you make some pork chops?
Nothing is in the painting.
Always with a pin.
Perfect. Wait, no, it's not. Try it. No, what's the difference? See, when you listen to me, we make a great team. Well, it's almost like I can hear the ocean. I guess who does that fact? In a way, that's perfection.
You want me to apologize anyway? I'd be happy to.
No thanks, Liam.
Well, either way, I'm sorry. Okay, now when we try to sell a house, no one mention the water.
Just tell me you paid no insurance.
You mean that boat that's floating right there? Not due till tomorrow, so relax.
Our zombie project.
Don't worry, sweetie. We'll have a funeral for it.
All right, now I'll just pull up your policy. Alt Control F. Oh, damn it, Kate! Kate, can you get in here? It's a different generation that knows how to work these things.
Enjoy.
Ah, the kids, they just know how to do it. Now, let's see here. You're in luck. The policy I sold you covers the full replacement value of your house. Woohoo! We also pay for 6 months temporary housing. Now, the bad news, your policy is the only one I sold. It just cost the company a bundle, and I'm going to lose my job.
Sorry, old girl.
That's okay. I got options. Unemployment, suicide. When one door closes, a coffin opens. Ah, what am I saying? I don't make coffin money. But now I got something to work towards. That's right. Hey, can you tell me how to charge a cell phone? Whoa. Some wall holes make things charge? What's next?
I feel kind of weird sleeping in the bedroom with someone I know.
Everything okay with the room?
You're not about to be back from your vacation for 3 weeks.
Well, it's not a vacation. My dad is doing seasonal fruit picking.
Come on, Millhouse. I need you on my shoulders to reach the high apples.
And I don't want to be in a room where guys walk around with their dinguses out.
No, don't come after me.
So, son, word on the street is you're coming to some money. Yeah. I was wondering, just hear me out. I've always considered you a friend. And oh, no. This is the most precious kind of money there is. Unearned. It's mine. And you're not getting at it just because you need a bigger TV or a room with a window or an operation.
You need an operation? What's the matter?
It's all the same. It's embarrassing, and I'd rather not discuss it publicly. Really? What could it be? Look, it's important to me and pricey. What could it be? Pain in the ass? Hands off! I need professional help. Not to worry. This is the United States. We have the 3rd best healthcare system in North America.
Hi, Medicare. Hi, everybody.
I speak with the doctor alone.
Of course. Oh, wait. I'm the doctor. That's why I wear the heart listening tube. Bubble, that never gets old. What's taking Grandpa so long in there?
Crazy that medical costs are so high here. In Denmark, to pick a country at random, healthcare is free.
Free? Honey, nothing is free but splendid. In Denmark, they make everyone pay high taxes, even rich people.
Yes, and they get free healthcare. It's called socialism.
Socialism? All my radio loudmouths tell me to hate that. That doc can't do nothing for me.
Better than my normal job. In Denmark, and not an accident, we get medical care for free.
I can't go to Denmark by myself.
Okay, here goes nothing.
The best pie I ever had.
Hey, Mom, what if we used our insurance money to take a family trip to Denmark?
Why would we want to go to Denmark? It is the happiest country on earth, and coal after coal.
I got your pull right here. Hey, you're right.
Hey, we've got the vacation coming. We've got the money. It's settled. We're going to Denmark, and Grandpa will get first.
Oh, man, looks like Marge is lost in your house. I say we don't go. We need to go. I'm desperate. I hope so. That woman shot you right under her thumb.
None of these were chosen for me about him. Finish it.
Excuse me, sir. The no smoking sign has been illuminated.
So,
The flight attendants are so sweet. We will be landing in Copenhagen shortly. If you have been designing and building furniture during the flight, please apply your final coat of varnish now.
Hey, I got these.
Almost, I'm on my way.
Denmark, the jewel of the Baltic. First-class schools, sleek furniture design, energy independence, and brooding peace. Thank you so much for renting my apartment.
So efficient.
My name's Ned Flanders.
Please allow me to give you a tour of Copenhagen.
Wonderful. But first,
no, we slept on a plane.
Take it, Bertie.
People here are so openly affectionate. Why don't we all hold hands?
Are we supposed to interlock fingers or not?
Tramp.
Those hands are covered with jam.
You can't get it on.
Grandpa's hands are too raw.
His hands are too soft.
Just keep holding.
Oh, don't worry. Government will pay you to learn this social skill. Homer, you're holding your own hand.
They're fighting over a Danish.
Created in 1913, The Little Mermaid is a world famous.
No, The Little Mermaid was created by Disney right before he created Spider-Man and Star Wars.
This is the real Little Mermaid, and she was a very tragic figure.
What about her buddy, the crab?
There was no crab.
He was the only funny thing in it.
That's it, Bertie.
Oh my god, it's wonderful. More people biking than driving cars.
Yes, it's rush hour. So people are taking the bicycle superhighways home. How far are your bicycle superhighways? But how many people ride bikes in your town?
The paper boy, so Dad hit him.
Sadly, the one headline he couldn't deliver.
Wait a minute. Stop the car.
What? It's Danish for speed check. Fart control.
I apologize for my husband. In our language, that sound means something else.
Yes, I know. I'm speaking to you in your language.
Non-Danes do not qualify for the free health care. And if you injure yourself in Denmark, a Danish hospital will treat you for free. I can't believe the government put this out for free.
Excuse me, you dropped this.
Lisa, this is Prince Christian. Second in line to the throne.
I played the tenor sax.
Oh no, here it comes. The fantasy about becoming a princess that no girl can resist.